Hello students, if you want to score a good marks in 12th standard CCSP and you don't have to prepare anything, don't worry, I'm here to save you brother. First, what you have to do what just I tell to you. First of all, look at your syllabus. You have a two parts, part 1 and part 2. There's a two part 1 having a CC and part 2 having a only SP. You do the only following chapter which I mentioned to you and you are done. You can score easily good marks by yourself. First of all, look at the syllabus. First, into the CC. Into CC, what you have to prepare, I will tell you. CC, you have to prepare only letters and some of the MCQs. These only things you have to prepare. First of all, look at the chapter which having a more importance. Chapter number 1 having a 8 marks weightage in a boards exam. Chapter number 2 having a 13 marks weightage, and chapter number 3 having a 13 marks chapter, which include 34 marks from only and only 3 chapters. You have to prepare well. 3 chapter you prepare well and you are good enough to scoring a 34 marks, in which you have to prepare letters and MCQ only. Let's move to the second parts. Move to the second parts of SP. On to the SP. SP is a very important and crucial chapter for you. In SP, you have to prepare secretarial practice, chapter number 1, chapter number 2, chapter number 3, chapter number 5, and chapter number 6. Chapter number 3 because it having a 3 marks question and 2 marks question as well. So first of all, look at the chapter number 1. Chapter number 1, you have to prepare 11 marks from chapter number 1. Chapter number 4 having a 12 marks, which include how many marks to your exam? It include 46 marks for your exam. You just have to prepare 7 chapters. These 7 chapters having a more than weightage of 80 marks. If you are good enough to score this 7 chapter fully cover, this chapter you have to fully prepare. What you should prepare? You should go for the notes and you have to go for MCQ and whole exercise question. That's all. If you want more videos just like that, more important topics that like that, or you need any query, please let me know in a comment box. Hit a like button. Thank you.